What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at the weekly chart for Bitcoin. And yes, we are defending the all-time high from 2017. We also had a consolidation in November and December of 2020. Now, if we do break this level, we were talking about a potential large drop that could happen with Bitcoin. But so far, in the short term, we are holding the range. As you can see, several weekly candles closing above the daily level and weekly level from the all-time high. Now, in today's episode, we're taking a look at the daily chart. Also, as you can see here, we have been getting above this major daily level. We did got rejected here at this daily level. So what can the price action do in the next coming hours and days? This is something that I'm going to discuss here on the lower time frames. So make sure to stay tuned in this episode. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily TA on Bitcoin Crypto. I also do live streams to connect with the community. I am not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in here straight into the weekly chart because we can see that we are finally holding this range at the $19,000 level. It is the all-time high from 2017. We got a daily close at 19,400 and a weekly close also around about the $18,900 range. This is why we are holding very nicely these last few weeks at this level. We also had a pretty nice consolidation back in November and December here looking at the weekly chart. So we are defending this range very, very well. Now, does this mean, is it possible we're going to have a relief rally just because we have defended this range the last few weeks? Well, absolutely not, because we did actually defend this $30,000 level. As you can see, it was a big major support here in the summer of 2021. We were consolidating several weeks at this $30,000, $29,000 range. And finally, we did get a breakdown. So this could be the same scenario. We are probably just consolidating and then we're going to have that breakdown. Now, what I want to make you understand that if we do have a daily strong candle breaking below the $19,000 range and a strong weekly candle, even better, then the price action is very likely going to come to the biggest support level, which is the $12,000. Here's where we do have those daily candle closes. As you can see, a large consolidation from 2019 and 2020 at those levels. And also looking at the VPVR, we can see right over here is where we have the largest amount of volume from the volume traded the last 5 years. It starts right over here at $12,000, as you can see where we have this yellow horizontal line. So just to say, if we start breaking well below this $19,000, you can expect from $17,000, $16,000, you are going to have that bearish momentum pretty fast, okay, to that $12,000 because price action was very fast to the upside. It can be very fast to the downside, just like what happened right over here. As soon as we closed a weekly candle below this $30,000 range, $29,000 area, then of course we had 2 weeks of massive selling pressure all the way down to below $20,000. So this is what I want to explain. It's very likely to happen also if we do get that weekly candle below, okay, the $19,000 level. Till then, we are still pretty far away. We have pumped several $1,000s. Now, what I want to show you here on the daily chart on Bitcoin, okay, zooming in a little bit, I want to show you something very important. Now, there is still quite a few hours of closing the daily candle, okay, at these levels. I want it to close above $22,000 for some potential more price action to the down or to the upside, sorry. The reason why is because we are above a major resistance zone. We currently broke today above this level. We still have several hours for this daily close. But what level is this? This level is exactly the $21,500. Why? Because we have daily closes and opens, right over here. It has been a strong resistance zone because we have got rejected, as you can see here on the chart. Now, we are currently well above this level. If this daily candle closes well above $22,000, it is likely that this daily zone is going to hold nicely as support. So there is a potential quick opportunity right there because we have been going up to here for quite some time right now, but it's very likely to get at least one bounce to at least almost retest the highs if this does happen in between tomorrow and after tomorrow. You could get that strong bounce here and then potentially that major correction if the price action cannot go to the upside. And these major daily levels are very well respected. You know, best example I can give you right here is this daily zone. Look at this daily open, close and open. We wicked exactly to the dollar right there, as you can see. And also we are getting that rejection, all right, today, as you can see, at that 22.8k level is major daily level. We've got two daily levels. This time we hit the highest one and got rejected. This time over here, we hit the first one right there and got rejected, which was from the volume traded, all right, from the 15th and 16th of June, as you can see here on the chart, this major zone getting that perfect rejection. So we also got value area high over here, value area low from the volume traded the last 30 days approximately, you would say. And what we can see here is that there's been huge support. We can also see this has been a major daily zone, not managing to break below. And this is a major daily zone, okay, where we had multiple attempts already and finally breaking. So like I said, there are two scenarios right over here. We close the daily candle well above $22,000. This would be the ideal scenario because this could start rejecting heavily before the end of the day. And it would just be a big, massive wick. And you are going to close below $21,500 range. And this is going to be looking very, very bearish because you're not having a successful breakout. Or you actually have a little bit of more price action to the upside. And then you correct. You could get that short-term bounce from that 21,400, okay, to have that a little bit of bullish momentum from that range. Now, what would be an insane bullish case scenario? Well, just imagine the price action continues pretty bullish. There is a big resistance zone here. It's a daily level at the $23,800 range. It is also, okay, I have connected the higher lows right there as a support trend line at a fake out right over here, and also several higher highs at this level. There is a possibility by tomorrow, if we were to get up there, guys, and this 23.8k level, I'm looking at it to be a pretty large resistance. This is a daily level from back here of 2020, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, December of 2020, we did have, you know, those daily closes, all right, at the low part right there. Nice consolidation for about a week. We have major resistance, major support right there, these daily levels. You can see these levels are very much respected here. If I just zoom in on the chart for Bitcoin, okay, we got this one and this one. This one has been very much respected at that 28.8 for a pretty nice shorting opportunity, that daily level right there, just today, a few hours ago. So that is the scenario for Bitcoin. We got some bullish case scenarios in the immediate short term. Stay extremely cautious because if we do finish this daily candle, okay, well below $22,000, in between $22,000 and 21,500, it's going to be looking pretty weak. The ideal scenario here would be still continuing to pump, all right, Bitcoin above 22.2, 22.3, close that daily level. If you enter a correction, this zone should be holding very nicely. Strong daily level, value area high, okay. There is a possibility for a pretty nice bounce from that range. Remember, for those experienced traders, my favorite platform for leverage trading cryptocurrency is Bybit. You get up to $4,450 worth of bonus at the rewards hub. You need to follow the steps, and you also get 0% maker fee for 30 days, guys. Make sure to take advantage of this bonus that you have here in the description. Taking a look at the 4-hourly chart and zooming in, like I said, not much difference also here from looking at the daily chart. This is the 4-hourly, getting that massive rejection from this daily zone in between 22.6, 22.8. As you can see, they are the highs from this range. Now we can see Bitcoin having a little bit of a deep correction after having this momentum. Like I said, ideal scenario would be closing above $22,000, a strong daily level. So you could correct down here to this range, 21.5, 21.6, for a potential pretty nice bounce for a little bit of more continuation to the upside. There's not much to add here. If we start correcting right now here, and we're going to start trading in the next coming hours at the 21.8, 21.6k levels, this is going to be looking very bad because it's just going to be a big, massive rejection here on the daily, all right? And we could see some price action to the downside very fast in the coming weeks. So stay cautious, guys, with your trading. This is going to be it for today's episode. Check out Bitcoinsensus website for the latest news and technical analysis ideas. Thank you for joining, and I will see you in the next one.